Hi everyone, just an overview of my container garden. Watch out for the froggies, they're all over the place. Welcome. This is a gardenia starting to bloom, getting some flowers on it. This is my pampas grass, and this is one of my containers I did, several of them. More pampas grass. There's my other container. Some coleus out here. These are all the dahlias I put in a few months ago. They're all starting to bloom. Had a good rain last night. Everything's growing the last few days. Twining smarty. Dahlia duet. I got some tomato plants here. I already pulled several of them. Tomato plants. Gladiolas. These are all bulbs I put in. It's going to bloom pretty soon. I'll show you as they're blooming. Begonias are blooming. Pandula yellow begonia. This is the other one. Pickety pink begonia. These were all bulbs. Bleeding hearts growing. And we have blueberry bushes over here. 2 of them. Blueberries are coming out. More blueberries over here. Grapevines back here. My 2 rose bushes. Persimmon tree. I'll do a separate video on this tree. Fig trees are growing nice. Oops. Knocked over a froggy. Oops. Everything's growing. I'll keep you updated and show you as everything flowers. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.